Guys, Cwecwe's mother, she is a very strong woman because she is fighting for everyone. It's not Cwecwe only, you understand? She is fighting for everyone. She is a hero, Cwecwe's mother, because some people, they don't want to talk about it. Most of the people, guys, they're in a same situation. But Cwecwe's mother, she come in public. You understand it? She come in public, guys. That woman, she is a very strong woman. She is a very strong woman because most of the people, they don't want to talk about it. Most of the women, because they can say what people can say out there. You understand it? But Kwekwe's mother, she is a hero because she is fighting for every girl child. She is fighting for every girl child, guys. Because, guys, when you are keeping quiet, you understand it? But that woman, she is very strong. She is a very strong because most of the people now are out there. They are marching. You understand it? They want, guys, they want Kwekwe to get justice. They want, yeah, to get justice. You understand it? Kwekwe's mother, she is very strong most of the times because, guys, a girl child, she is in a risk most of the times.